welcome to Violin with Catherine. Thanks for joining me here. Today I'm going to show you how to read the music notes for the violin in the first position. Later in the video I'll explain what the different positions are on the violin, but for now, let's get into it. So before I thrust some music in front of you, let's make sure we all understand that we're going to be using the alphabet letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Once we get into G, we continue back with A, and the notes keep climbing up higher and higher. Reading music. First, we have the staff, which is made up of 5 lines. Then we have the treble clef. To get to our G string, we actually need a couple of extra lines. These are called ledger lines. Then we have a note head, a stem, and this is our G string G that we have on the violin. Our next note is D, built up with a note head and stem, then A, then E. These are called our open strings, which is notated with a 0 above each note. We can then fill in all the notes in between, as shown here. On the G string, starting after the G, we climb up one step at a time. From a space note, we go to a line note, and we continue up in this pattern. So on the G, we go from G with our open string to our first finger playing A, second finger playing B, third finger playing C, fourth finger playing D. And you will note that this D is the same as the first D for the D string. This time, however, looking at the numbers up above, you will see that fourth finger on the D string creates the same note as the open D string. We then climb up the D string in the same way, placing one finger after another. Open D, first finger E, second finger F sharp, third finger G, fourth finger A. And again from the A string, climbing up one step at a time, one finger at a time. With our alphabet letters, climbing up as we go higher in pitch. This does not include all the notes as you see on a keyboard. This tutorial covers the first basic finger placement for the violin. Hey, if you're getting value out of this video, be sure to subscribe down below. New videos come out every Friday. To play the notes learnt in the first part of this video, we will make this shape with our left hand. I like to call this shape M. M standing for middle, because the middle 2 fingers are together. Note that the thumb is not included because we do not use the thumb to play notes on the violin. So here we have a pictorial representation of our 4 strings of the violin, G, D, A and E, and our 4 fingers will go in these positions on each of the 4 strings. So on the G string we have A, B, C and D. On the D string, E, F sharp, G and A. On the A string, B, C sharp, D and E. And on the E string, F sharp, G sharp, A and B. So on the G string, G, A, B, C, D. On the D string, D, E, F sharp, G, A. On the A string, A, B, C sharp, D, E. On the E string, E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B. So just a quick explanation about positions. We won't be learning to move up into different positions at this stage. It's something that you learn much later on. It's really important to get the foundation of the first position with the development of a solid pitch awareness and accuracy in the first position. But, however, If the first finger is on A on the G string where we've learnt today, this is first position. If the first finger then moves up to the B, this would be second position. Then third position if the first finger is on C, fourth position on D, and so on. So each step up just gives you a new position name or position number on the violin. Thanks so much for joining me here today. Remember to hit the like button, let me know in the comments what you love about my videos, and subscribe down below because it really will help me out.